Hi guys, Fluff here and welcome to techbeatph.com. And with Vivo launching a lot of phones over the summer, we recently did a review of the Vivo V9 and the Vivo Y21. This time we're going to review a phone, the Vivo X21. So this is the phone that the iPhone 10 should have been, with an in-screen fingerprint detector. So do stick around and watch the video to see what we think of it and what other innovations are coming from Vivo.
We got our hands on a very new sealed X21 demo unit from Vivo. Opening up the box, we can immediately see the phone in a very elegant case. As you can see here, Vivo is the sponsor of World Cup Russia 2018. Taking a look at the storage space on the right, we can see here the headphones and the charging brick. Now let's take a short look at the phone. Let's take off the protective sleeve. It's a very nice phone. It's glass in front and glass at the back. Very nice screen. As you can see here, it's a full screen and there's something missing at the back, which is the fingerprint sensor. The fingerprint sensor is actually the lower third of the display screen. Now let's put the phone aside from now and take a look what's the rest of the box. So what's below the phone? So carefully removing it, we can see here. Carefully removing the top cover, we can see here the gel casing that comes with the phone. It's very nice and has a black border. We can see here the SIM key together with the documentation that comes with the phone. Then we can see the charging cable. Now let's take a closer look at the phone. Picking up the phone, we can have a very nice, very premium feel to it. As you can see, there's a USB Type-C and an earphone jack at the bottom of the phone, together with the speakers. It also has the SIM tray at the bottom, which is very unique to this type of phone. With the SIM tray at the bottom, it gives us a very flush side finish. There's also the power button and the volume toggle button on the right side of the phone. So let's now power the phone up and do the configuration so we can do our real-world testing. The Vivo X21 is powered by the Snapdragon 660 AIE processor. Together with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of ROM, it easily launches even the most challenging games currently out in the market. Now that we have it all set up, now let's take it to the field and do some real-world testing. Taking the phone out around BGC, it offers very nice, crisp, clear audio. We also did a comparison test with Fingerprints. It's really faster than my daily drive. Looking at and taking photos and videos around BGC, it offers very nice, crisp, very clear videos and photos, as you can see here in some of the samples that we've provided. Writing your messages, texting, and watching videos are very nice with a very nice full screen which has more than a 90% screen to body ratio. The facial unlock is also awesome.
So there you have it, guys, our latest unboxing and real-world review of the Vivo X21 phone. So we at techbeatph give this the Gold Award for its innovative in-screen fingerprint sensing, the phone that the iPhone X should have been but was not able to deliver. It's amazing in light, face detection, and also in the dark. The face can also be detected when the phone is on its side or upside down. So it's amazing clarity, stunning pictures, and overall performance. Again, we give this the Gold Award. So if you're new here to techbeatph.com, please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up if you like the video. And please do comment in the comment section what you want to see from techbeatph.com.